A lot of stuff has changed since I've been off the YouTube channel, you feel me? Man, what's up with the YouTube? It's your boy, the Tahoe guy, you heard me? I know it's been a minute, man. It's been a while, you heard me? But y'all already know I wouldn't be back on this thing if it wasn't for a new build, you heard me? A lot of stuff has changed since I've been off the YouTube channel, you feel me? I done upgraded the Tahoe, I done did a new wall, you heard me? As y'all can see, I mean, you know, see a little preview of it, you know, it's green and red, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna get to it, show y'all what I done did, you know what I'm saying? This build is done, built, designed, created, everything was done by me. You feel me? I'm now in the mode of, you know what I'm saying, if you want it done right, do it yourself, you feel me? That way you won't be dissatisfied if the results are not what you want them to be. You feel me? But nonetheless, let's get to the video. Let's show y'all what I done added. Stay with your boy to the end of the video. Let's go. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Your boy gonna drop more videos on the channel, you heard me? I'm back on the channel officially, you heard me? So hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notification every time your boy drop a video. It's the Tahoe guy. Let's go. First and foremost, y'all already know you got to have your electrical right. If you in this audio game, you got to have your electrical right. But let me tell y'all, let me show y'all, ain't nothing changed with, you know, my alternators. You know what I'm saying? I'm still running 3. I got my factory alternator, then I got a 390 and then a 250 down at the bottom, you know what I'm saying? High output, you know, the alternator that's in the factory place is the alternator for the truck that runs the whole truck itself. Then I got my 2 high output alternators that run the bass exclusively on the bass. You know what I'm saying? And what I done did, you know, as y'all can tell, I don't have the fan clutch anymore. So what I did was about 4 months ago, you know what I'm saying, I got tired of running with that loud fan clutch, the clutch fan. So I upgraded to the electric fans. I got them hardwired in on the battery, then I got them on relay, ran to a toggle switch in the inside, so they only come on when I turn the switch on, the ignition switch, and I hit the button. But other than that, nothing changed under the hood other than that. Let me take y'all around to the battery side, you know what I'm saying? What I did was I added 80 amp hours to my 75 I already had, so I got 155 amp hours of Yinlong LTO in the back, pushing my amps. Show y'all the amps. These are MVXs. They are 5Ks, 5K RMS Brazilian board amps at 1 ohm. I have 3 of them. Take y'all around to the inside. Yeah, take y'all around to the inside, show y'all my doors. As y'all can see on my doors, I no longer have scar on my doors. I'm running with this company called Genius Audio. I have 4 8s with 2 horn tweeters and 2 super tweeters on each door. And as y'all can see, my color scheme is red and green. I do call this the Grinch. The inside with the center console, nothing has changed yet. But I plan on redoing the console to make it look more beautiful. And like I said, each door has that Genius Audio ran in it. It's for the wall wise, I went back with a 4th order, 615 4th order wall. In the inside, we have the American base Hawks. Focus in a little bit. Y'all go. I have 6. You can only see 5, but the 6th one is hiding right under the port. But I have 6 American-based Hawk 15s. They are dual fours, 3,000 watts R max and 1,500 RMS. And for both of my doors, take y'all around to the side so y'all can see what I got. We're pushing my doors. I have just some block punts, 1600 watt amps, nothing too major, you know what I'm saying. And then I got a March digital DSP, tuned everything. Like I say, nothing has really changed but the subs and the speaker brand. Just the view of the door itself. Color scheme, red and green. I did like to keep the red, so that's why I went red and green. And this is a new feature I added to my truck, which I'm about to show y'all now. Let me take it around. Let me open it up. Okay, make sure y'all follow your boy on Instagram, the greatest of all time, with 2 underscores in between all and time. This is my stunt wall. It features 12 6.5s with 7 3-inch super tweeters and 6 8s with 2 10s. A mixture of Scar, Black Diamond, and Tipano back here. So it's 3 different brands in the back. In the future, I will run just one brand, you know. But for now, it's 3 bands back here. All together, it sounds good, you know what I'm saying. I'll let y'all hear it in another future video. But right now, it's just a video, you know, showing y'all what's new and what I done did, what I done added. Now that I done took y'all around the vehicle, you heard me, showed y'all my build, showed y'all what it is, what it do, you know what I'm saying. Your boy gonna be dropping more videos, demo videos, you heard me, on this vehicle, on this truck, on this build. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's your boy, the Tahoe guy. Peace.